Yeah, see, it's starting to clue up now.
Yeah, it's just the humidity, I think.
No, it just got a little. Come look how clear it is now.
Well, how did your pictures turn out?
First one was okay, but
Oh, your video was good.
see how clear it is now?
Yes.
Just a little damp.
Humidity, I bet.
But yeah, you're not getting grossed out.
She's learned how to do that. She's going to do our next fish like that.
Okay, I get it now.
You got it now, baby? I've seen people do baths like that with an electric knife.
Yeah, that's how we used to do it. That's my. Which one?
Yeah, I think that sucker has got to be super sharp. When you get through, look at your pictures and let's see what they look like.
Right.
They're foggy.
Well, I'll turn the flash on and see if it'll help it.
Yeah. I can't believe how many you caught, man.
I just got launching.
No, you got the hang of it quicker than the rest of us. What are you going to do with all this fish, Eric?
Send me that. Granny, send Granny some of that picture that you took with your phone.
You know you can do it faster than I can. Oh, 5169. 5169. Just back to the border feed the fish. It's a very nice place. Well, they're showing the pictures of them here. Revive the fish. Look, that's the one. Put up there, boy. Oh, the fish ate that. The styrofoam cup they found in the fish.
No, that's trash.
In the fish.
They're saying don't throw trash in the fish dumpster.
Yeah, but look at the pictures of what the fish ate. That, the styrofoam cup. That's why I don't want you throwing it in there, because they ate all that, you know. More fish.
Yeah.
Got it? Did it work?
Yep.
I'm sure it'll take you back out again if you want to go.
No, we done.